a POMSKY. It's actually my dog that I have, so I'm going to go around and do that. It's just like the face shot, so let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with one eye on the far end. Curl over here. Curl over here. Go over here on this other side. Other side. Other side. Right on. Then I'm gonna go over here and draw the pattern on his face, which is gonna be kind of a line right here on the top, almost like an eyebrow. Eyebrow over here. Line swooping down here for the snout. Over here for the front of the nose, down. Curve over here, and down. Also, I think people asked, what is a POMSKY? So POMSKY is a mixture between Pomeranian and Husky. So that's pretty much what a POMSKY is over here. Up. I'm gonna go over here to the front of the face. I'm gonna pull down on the far side, up, down over here, up over there. Yeah. Line down here for the tongue. Sticking the tongue out right there. Down underneath the bottom of the mouth. Pull out. Zigzag a little for the fur on the outside. And pulling down. Over here to, I was saying the roof, the head of the dog. Gonna pull a line up over here for pointed ears, and down. Over here on this side, and down. And over here, some fuzziness. There's like a peak over here on the cheek and over here on this other side. What is that peak area? And now we're gonna go over here and find they tend to have like a mask, right, as far as their we'll draw a line here in the middle. As far as the pattern, over here, zigzag. We'll draw a little thin zigzag right there, and the color is a big part of the character of the POMSKY. Line over here, we're gonna fill that in, that eye. We're gonna fill this in over here. Got big old eyes in there. A line underneath for just kind of the, the bags into the eyes a little bit. Tooth sticking down, tooth sticking down, tooth sticking down. Let's go to the inner ear now. Line up. Curve around and line in there. Same thing on the other side, inner ear, down. Right on. Line. And that's pretty much it, honestly. That's pretty close to it. As far as coloring goes, I'm not really gonna. I guess I could color. I guess I'm gonna do that. Let me use a colored pencil right now. Colored pencil, black colored pencil, and I'm gonna kind of fill in the nose here. Not totally though. Leave a little highlight there, and I'm gonna fill in the other parts over here, dark. This is kind of lighter. I didn't want to like use the marker because I thought it would be way too dark. Right now what I'm doing is I'm basically coloring my own coloring book. That's literally kind of what's happening right now. Like I created a line art and now I'm coloring it. Let me know what kind of dog you have if you do have a dog. I'm curious. It's awesome. I have a POMSKY right now. The dog's, her name is Suki. Suki is the dog's name. I'll show her on the community page, by the way. I never do that, but I'll show her on the community page. Let me know, by the way, like say hi, whatever. Also, check out the community page. If you don't check out the community page, you're letting out. I think that's like a very, very good resource to go check out. Is the community page here on Easy Things to Draw Instagram. And I guess if we really want to just complete the colors here, let's grab a pink for the tongue right there. And there you go. That is it. That is a POMSKY. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon, alright? See you later.